Hi everyone, I am very pleased to be in front of you today. I am Simon Robin, co-founder and CEO of TicTacTrip. I'm going to share with you why our ground transportation one-stop shop has more than 200,000 unique users each month. Let me introduce you to Hugo, my amazing co-founder. He has some family living in the Alps mountains, in Haute-Savoie. Yeah, a place quite famous for skiing, but it's always complex to get there. Most times he needs to take 2 trains and then a bus. That's 3 different modes of transportation. Choosing the correct connection and being sure of the price requires a significant effort and attention to details. And bad news, he is not the only one to travel to isolated places. In fact, 80% of French people experience the exact same situation, either to go on vacations or to visit their family. And worse news, this concerns whole of Europe. We estimate this problem to cost a tremendous amount of time, and it results in anxiety before and during the travel. Well, that's where intermodality enters. Ground intermodality is a way of combining different modes of ground transport for the same city trip. Buses, trains, shuttles, and carpooling. It has 2 main advantages. First, it lets you find better alternatives to simple trips. Better time, better price, and more flexible trips. And then it also opens a new variety of trips. New places are then accessible. You can even go directly to the airport, to a ski resort, to a small place, or to the Lost Festival you love. That's why we've built TicTacTrip, the first booking platform for all direct and intermodal routes in Europe. Using ground transports, buses, trains, carpooling, and shuttles, we specialize in medium distance from 50 kilometers to 2,000 kilometers between two cities. We currently have the highest number of routes available in France and are developing them in Europe. Thanks to TicTacTrip, you have more options, even for simple trips, and can optimize duration, price, and accessibility while managing your own carbon emission. With TicTacTrip, you're not only buying tickets. Thanks to our in-house customer support, we are also here to help you during your trip if any problem occurs. All of that is possible thanks to our core technology. We've built our own intermodal search engine and automatic processes to homogenize and book complex and partial data. We are working as a B2C platform, as you see, and developing various ways to attract new customers through B2B2C partners. Intermodality is a niche market at the heart of the global ground transportation mobility. It is our way to attack the ground mobility market. This is a market of 16.7 billion euros market, and we are only accounting for the commission. Our strategy is simple: retain our customers on complicated trips and make them come back for all the other simple trips. Currently, we have more than 200,000 unique visitors and 10,000 tickets sold each month. We have more than 150 partners in France using our solution, and thanks to our proprietary technology, we are able to have a margin that is high above the market average. This way, we can make 30% more on commission than our classic competitors. We've already raised close to 1 million euros to develop the French market and are now working on, first, consolidating our revenue streams in France by improving retention services, and then our international expansion. As soon as the situation feels better, we will enter the Iberian market, starting with Spain. The team behind TicTacTrip is made of travel addicts with family living in isolated places. Our expertise ranges from travel search algorithms to marketing growth automation. And we all know why TicTacTrip is necessary, and more particularly in a more sustainable and localized world. We can say in a post-COVID world. We are surrounded by experts in the travel industry to support us. If you need to remember 3 things about TicTacTrip. First, we sell more than 10,000 tickets per month and have more than 150 partners. Thanks to our proprietary tech, we are able to outperform our competitors and to retain our customers for all their ground mobility needs, intermodal and simple trips. We are TicTacTrip, and this is how we aim to become the European leader in ground transportation in the next 3 years. Thank you for your time and for listening.